My name is Jacky Vinocur. I am working at Habonim Industrial Valves and Actuators. The company does exist for the 75 years, and I am sales manager for Europe and Latin America. Habonim produces ball valves and pneumatic actuators. It's an old company. We have subsidiaries all around the world, attending USA, Mexico, Europe through the Netherlands, Singapore, China, Australia. The rest of the world we attend through different ways. Some are distributors, some are integrators, and some are direct end customers. I think that the LNGCON is a good congress where we are meeting all the time our customers, potential customers, and we are following up what we did before. We are growing all together in this market, and it is a good place for meeting the people. The congress is growing every year. We attended it at least, if I am right, something like 7 times. Since 2015, 2016, we are attending almost every single year. It is a good question. I think that the LNG market, even if it is not a new market right now, and it is growing, to do change is difficult. People think that it is pretty hard to change their mind when they are doing engineering, and giving new technologies is a big challenge for people to change their mind and starting using new technologies, new things that are going into the market. This is the big challenge. I am not going to be objective because I'm working at Habonim. I think that what Habonim is doing is really changing the mind, changing the market, bringing a floating ball valve which is cryogenic and it is bidirectional is really a big change. It is going to reduce the quantity of pipes, it is going to reduce the size of the pipes, it is going to permit to be more flexible regarding engineering and installations, and it is going to save a lot of money. The first priority, as I said again, is to be there to meet our customers, to meet new customers, to meet the people that are working together with us. We meet here customers, we meet here partners, we meet here suppliers, engineering companies, so we are all in the same area, doing pretty the same, and they are colleagues. So we understand in every meeting what they are doing, what we are doing, and how we can collaborate with each other. Yes, of course. It is not easy to attend different congresses. We are attending the LNGCON and other congresses in our focus area of Habonim, for example, in pharma applications or in hydrogen applications. But it is the biggest and the best congress related to LNG. We should be here because here is the place where we understand what is being done during the last year. And the new innovations we see here.